All right, Chef Antonia, last stop. What do you think?
Vegan Puerto Rican food blew my mind. I do not know if I have any more room for this.
Well, you've got to have room because this place in particular is pretty amazing. This is where the locals go. Matter of fact, we're in an industrial area. This place is only open Monday through Friday, but everybody that loves that true Puerto Rican food comes here.
I do not know how you do this every day.
This is El Fogon de la 31.
This is chicken breast with trifongo and cheese sauce.
Anything you eat from here, it's great.
Pernil for Maria.
You feel that you are in a home.
It's like your grandma making.
So if you can't get the traditional Puerto Rican food at your grandmother's house,
Yeah.
this is the place you come.
Or grandma just doesn't want to cook that night.
Ajá. Pastellón de Amarillo, arroz y habichuela.
The Pastellón is our Caribbean lasagna.
What is the menu today?
The Pastellón de Amarillo.
So we start with the sofrito.
Onions, peppers, ají dulce. It's like a pepper box feet. Garlic clove.
And the sofrito is such the basis for so much like Puerto Rican cooking.
And this is a pimiento morrón. It's a pepper and the cilantrillo.
Espezote.
Yes.
Recao.
Recao.
Ajá. It's much flavor.
The sofrito is made. Now time for the picadillo.
I love picadillo because like all you want to do is pick at it while you
That's why they call it
Is it?
picadillo.
No, it isn't.
No, but it sounded
It
good.
sounded good.
Ground beef, vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, sazon,
Beautiful.
vegetable oil,
Okay, so cook it a little bit.
sofrito,
That is just
all
flavor
flavor,
city
yeah.
right there.
tomato sauce,
Cook this down, and then we're gonna work on the frijoles.
water, and pig feet for overnight. In the morning, cook the beans
And the pig's feet.
with the pressure cooker.
Water?
Water, yes.
For how long, chef?
After this sound.
It's a universal language, folks.
For pressure cooker.
Doesn't matter where you're from, everybody knows. And this is gonna be the flavoring for the rest of the beans.
Yes, and the perfect.
And the pig's feet.
First, the oil, sofrito, tomato sauce, onions, peppers, pumpkin,
Interesting.
potatoes, sazon, salt, cilantro.
Beans and some water.
Yep.
And how long is this gonna cook, chef?
20 minutes.
This is traditional.
Yeah.
Let's build the lasagna.
Yellow plantains,
Fried.
egg for glue,
The delicious picadillo.
cheese,
Plantain, glue, meat, cheese.
I'm serious, Mommy. I watched a show and Chef Antonia was on there and she said she put glue in the food. We just put it in the oven.
10 minutes at 300.
Oh.
This is the pastellón.
Gorgeous.
It's like the lasagna that I make at home with the crispy,
Yes.
crunchy cheese.
I gotta try the beans and the pig's feet.
I'm going lasagna.
The beans are so unbelievable. I don't know that I've ever been this excited about beans. Silky, and they just melt in your mouth. The sweet plantain, you fried it really well to where it's got great texture.
Never in a million years did I think, I mean, honestly, as an Italian, that I'm gonna eat lasagna with rice and beans. And the sauce on the beans, as you mix that with the picadillo, it's almost like the sauce that was like needed for the lasagna. Really good.
10 of 10.
The combination of the flavor of the meat and the sweet is very good.
I really like it. It's lighter than pasta.